Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something incredibly important for every investor out there. Understanding the landscape you're navigating. Investing in the securities market is full of opportunities, but it's also subject to market risks. That's why the first and most crucial step is always to read all the related documents carefully before you put your hard-earned money to work. Let's start with some key details about Upstocks. We are registered with SEBI, which is the Securities and Exchange Board of India, the main regulator of the securities market. Our registration number for Upstox Securities is IN000315837. We're also members of the NSE and BSE. For commodities, our KSV Commodities India is registered with SEBI and is a member of the MCX. All these registrations mean we adhere to strict regulatory standards designed to protect you, the investor. If you ever have a complaint, you can email us at complaints@upstox.com. You can also file a complaint directly on the SEBI Scores portal. It's an effective system for speedy grievance redressal. Now, let's talk about something really important: derivatives, like futures and options. A recent SEBI study revealed that 9 out of 10 individual traders in the equity futures and option segment actually incurred net losses. On average, these losses were close to 50,000 rupees. On top of that, traders spent an additional 28% of their net losses on transaction costs. Even for those who made profits, transaction costs could eat up anywhere from 15% to 50% of their gains. This data isn't meant to scare you, but to highlight the significant risks involved. Trading in derivatives, especially with leverage, requires a deep understanding. Don't jump in based on tips or without knowing the product and its risks inside out. When it comes to mutual funds, you might see top-rated funds on our platform. Please remember that this is not investment advice. The research data is provided by Morningstar, but you should always read the offer documents carefully before investing. Mutual funds are not exchange-traded products, and we act only as a distributor. Your security is our top priority. We want to empower you to protect your accounts. First, never, ever share your trading credentials. That means your login ID, password, and any OTPs. We at Upstocks will never ask you for these details. Also, be very cautious of unsolicited tips you might get through WhatsApp, Telegram, or social media. Unregistered advisors and influencers often promise guaranteed or fixed returns, which is a major red flag. Trading based on these tips can lead to significant losses. As a company, we do not provide stock tips, and we haven't authorized anyone to trade on behalf of others. If you encounter anyone claiming to be from Upstocks and offering such services, please report them to us immediately. A few more practical tips to keep you safe. Make sure your mobile number and email ID are updated with us and your depository participant. This way, you'll receive direct alerts from CDSL and the exchanges for all your transactions. This simple step can help you spot any unauthorized activity right away. Also, remember that KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a one-time exercise. If you've done it with any SEBI-registered intermediary, you don't need to do it again. Finally, for any disputes, SEBI has now launched an online dispute resolution portal, which makes resolving issues even more accessible. Investing is a journey of learning and caution. By staying informed and vigilant, you can navigate the markets more confidently. Always do your own research, understand the risks, and make decisions that are right for your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.